Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. We have our little pink typewriter we're going to do a video of. Get this camera straightened out here. So this is a 1935 Royal. It's a Royal Model O. You can tell by the serial number back here. Right there, that's an O449728. It was made in 1935. When we acquired this, it had been repainted green. It used to be jet black. Originally, all these were jet black, but it was repainted, so we decided to chemically strip it and repaint it with powder coat pink, bubblegum pink to be exact. And it came out perfect. This paint is bulletproof. It is about as pink as you can get. Pink throughout. It is really gorgeous. Even on the backs underneath, it's all prettied up. Some more light in here. Everything is good. The feet are good. Key tops are spectacular. Look at those key tops. 81 years old in there. They literally look like new. And now the whole machine looks like new. It just shines. And it types pretty good too for an old timer. Get this camera mounted here. Sorry about this. Come on. Maybe we'll do a little type test here some more. Pretty nice. I'm going to take it off the daisy round because I cannot type on that thing when it's moving around. Somebody's going to get an awful nice typewriter here. We guarantee this to work, obviously. And it has the warranty the same as new. Very nice. Again, let's take a look under here. It's just mint condition. There's not a thing wrong or dirty. It's just old. It's 81 years old. That is amazing. Amazing. And it really, really looks good. Margins are back here behind the this plate here. I think we even repainted these. Repainted the indicators. So they're nice and new looking again. Alright, that's our video of our newly refurbished, restored, and repainted Royal 1935. Have a good day.